Welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to edit your email signature on your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If you're bored of the usual sent from my iPhone, then follow these next steps to change your signature. Open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Mail. Scroll all the way down and tap on Signature. Now on this screen, you can edit your existing signature. If you have multiple mailbox set up on this iPhone, then you'll have the options to change it for each mailbox. Where you can see Sent from my iPhone, go ahead and edit the existing signature. Delete the existing signature and add your new signature. Once you're happy with it, tap on Mail at the top left to save the signature. And that is how to edit your email signature on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.